to prove that it's not in trouble. It announced some radical decisions today. It has borrowed $54 billion from the Swiss central bank. What is this money for? To shore up the finances of Credit Suisse. And they do not really need this money, but they're playing safe. In case there are more withdrawals, they'll have enough cash to take care of it. The funding from the central bank is going to be useful. Also, Credit Suisse is repaying its debt in advance. It has plans to offer a buyback. What is a buyback? It is a form of borrowing where bonds are sold with an agreement to repurchase them at a later date. That is a buyback. The bank could settle loans worth $3 billion. The idea is to boost sentiment and to convey the message that all is well. And the Swiss central bank is helping in this. It says Credit Suisse is sound. Let me quote from their statement. Their statement about Credit Suisse, it says, it meets the capital and liquidity requirements imposed on systemically important banks. So if everything is sound, why is the bank making such aggressive moves? Why does it face the crisis of credibility? That's because of its record. Over the years, this bank has faced a host of scandals. In Bulgaria, it allowed drug dealers to launder money. In Mozambique, the bank faced a corruption case. Then there was a spying scandal. The bank snooped on its top executives. Last year, there was a massive data leak. And all these scandals led to losses. Credit Suisse has lost several clients. The bank was trying to regain lost confidence, but now people are betting on it to fail. This week, the bank's credit default swaps hit a record. Now, what is a credit default swap? It is an insurance against failing debt. But it can be used to make a bet too, a bet that the company might fail.
Credit Suisse has been a story that's been playing out for a number of years over time, but it's still generally a story of bad, corporate management, and investors are now focused on it, and people are thinking about counterparty risk as well as, risky assets. And Credit Suisse is now kind of top of mind as people focus on, banks within their portfolio and what they have exposure to.
The global banking sector is in panic mode. Investors are worried.